One May morning I chanced for to roam and strolled through the fields by the side of the grove. It was there I did hear the harmless birds sing, and you never heard so sweet, and you never heard so sweet. You never heard so sweet as the birds in the spring. At the end of the grove I sat myself down, and the song of the nightingale echoed all around. Her song was so charming, her notes were so clear. No music, no songster, no music, no songster, no music, no songster can with them compare. All you come here, the small birds to hear, I'll have you pay attention, so pray all draw near. And when you're growing old, you will have this to say, that you never heard so sweet, that you never heard so sweet. You never heard so sweet as the birds in the spring.